In this video, I'm going to show you how to sanitize your camper's water system to keep you safe and make sure nobody gets sick from drinking water that's been contaminated. Hi, my name's Jason from Weekend RV Adventures, and I share camping tips, tricks, and some of my favorite gear. At the end of this video, if you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. When it comes to sanitizing your camper's water system, you may wonder when it needs to be done. My camper's just been brought out of winter storage, and that's a time I definitely want to sanitize the water system. But anytime I've left my camper sitting for more than about a week, I like to sanitize the system. Having a half-full freshwater tank is a perfect breeding ground for bacteria and other nasty things you don't want. So anytime my camper's been sitting out, I like to sanitize the system, make sure I've got nice clean water before my next trip. We're going to start by adding some bleach into the tank, and I'm going to do that by pouring it into my freshwater hose. I like to pour it into the freshwater hose because then, while that bleach water is passing through the hose, it can help sanitize the freshwater hose in addition to sanitizing the tank. An important thing to know when sanitizing your water system is how much bleach to use. I like to use a half a cup of bleach per 30 gallons of water. You can see I engraved it right on this mounting plate for the selector valve I installed in my camper. I also engraved my tank capacities, so I know I have a 60-gallon fresh water tank. That means I need about 1 cup of bleach to sanitize the whole system. With the bleach added to one end of the hose, I'm going to take the other end of the hose and put it in my tank's freshwater fill port, then turn the hose on and let it fill all the way up to the top. I want to make sure that bleach is in contact with the top of the tank and the fill hose to make sure everything gets sanitized. Now that my freshwater tank's full, I've turned on my water pump, and I'm going to go around to every fixture and I'll run the hot water and the cold water until I can smell the bleach coming out of the line. The first couple lines may take a little longer, but once you get going, the bleach will be through most of the system and it should go pretty quick. I can smell it already on my cold line there. And it's coming out the hot already too. So you'll want to repeat that same process on every fixture until you've got your whole system filled with the bleach water. Well, I just finished going through every fixture in my camper, running them until I smelled the bleach. Now it's time to wait. You'll want to let the bleach sit in the lines for at least 2 hours to do its job. I usually let mine set overnight, and I'll come back the next day, drain the fresh water tank, refill it with new clean water, and run it through each line until I no longer smell the bleach. After that, your system should be sanitized and ready to go. If you need a recap of any of the steps, just take a look in the video description below, and there's a link to my blog post where I go step by step through the entire process. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. And if you want to see another video right now, just click or tap the screen right over here for more videos from Weekend RV Adventures. Again, thanks for watching, and happy camping!